Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs. This is a Mitsubishi closed-loop servo drive sent in malfunctioning by a local machining shop. Units like these are commonly used in CNC tools, but also see use in semiconductor manufacturing systems. The unit here came in not being able to power up its machine, and would output faults preventing it from starting its system's processes. We have all the available software for this line of units, and so we were able to fix the fault and do a full rebuild so that this unit lasts as long as possible. Our video shows the unit powering up and running one of our test motors so that the customer knows we did our job. ERD has worked on Mitsubishi units for over 20 years and has all the necessary resources for a complete repair. So if your servo drive is out of commission, call today for your quote.